Hey guys, as you can see, this time I have on the bench. This one is a, I don't know if it's a old school or a semi-old school, guys, but it's a power acoustic 1250 watt. That's what it says, which we know it doesn't do that. And it's a 2-channel amplifier, guys, and yeah, this one comes on, but it the speaker when I put on the speaker where voltage coming to the speaker where, so yeah, it's making a popping sound, once you put it on. So this is how I explain video repair, guys. So let me show you what goes on here, guys. Let me show you the back plate of it. This is the back plate that just says see that, guys? It says OVN2-1250. Yeah. Let me give you an inside view of this, the chassis. Maybe some people wanna see it, yeah. And they have a little light up here, guys. Yes. Let you know. A lot of people would want these, I know. But yeah, I have this one in for repair. Some people love these stuff, guys, Can bring my memory to them, the first amplifier they bought, and stuff like that, And again, it's all on the Florida. A lot of people here, they really treasure that, that kind of stuff. Doesn't matter how cheap the amplifier is, yes. If it's the first amplifier they have there, yeah. They don't care what they pay for it. If I say, hey, the repair is going to cost this brand new amplifier, they will say, hey, no. My father bought me that amplifier, some stuff of the other kind. So yeah, I repaired for them, what they're willing to pay. I'm not going to charge them arm and a leg like price for a new amplifier, how it goes. But so just let you know, guys, this amplifier comes in with that problem, and it comes in also with this side. This MOSFET was getting really, really, really hot. This MOSFET right here was getting really, really hot. So I replaced this MOSFET right here. Give me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, yeah. That's what's my daughter. Alright, guys, so these were eating up. So because of that, I replaced these anyway. Because, some people wouldn't do that. I replaced them anyway. And then I go through the circuit. I figure out the thing was right, voltage was right, but something was off with the voltage with this. Because, guys, the rectifier, the diode here, guys, the fast recovery diode here, there is a Zener diode across it, guys, and this Zener is a 16-volt Zener diode that was bad. See that, guys? This is a 16-volt Zener diode. Yes, and this burnt out, and it's sending some voltage, and I don't remember which leg of these it's sending some excess voltage on, so they keep eating up. So I replace it. And just letting you know, guys, the diode, let me tell you the diode here, guys, it was show you, it was a 1N 47 45 A. So guys, yeah, it was a 1N 47 45A. It's a Zener diode, guys, 16 volts. Let me put it on it, guys. You see, guys, it was 16 volts Zener diode, guys, and it was right here. So just let you know, if you have an amplifier like this to repair, guys, right here where the recovery diodes are. Yes, and it's a diode. It's a diode 62. So diode 62 and diode 61, they are all 16 volts in the diode, guys. So yeah, so that was the problem with this amplifier right here, guys. So just letting you know, guys, and yeah. So let me just give it an other test, guys, just to let you guys see what's going on. I think it's this side over here. It's the input. This side is the output. Get to something. So let me just switch it on. See if it comes on. Alright. Alright, Alright guys, yeah. Because of copyright guys, you know it goes, you know. I do stuff like that, you know, to eliminate any copyright stuff like, you know. So yeah, until I get my own audio, guys, which I'm working on. So yes guys, so just let you know this is for this amplifier. As you can see, it's old school. It's nothing fancy about this amplifier, but you know, it's a good, really beginner's amplifier, you know. Repair, this is what I would suggest anybody to work on, like one of these amplifier here guys, class AB, you know. And this one guys, output here have A1694, A1694, both these are A1694, and here we have C4467, both of these are C4467, and then repeat over here the same thing, yeah. C44 matches the C44 here, and this A matches this A over here, so yeah, it's basically laid out nicely guys, so you know you won't be able to make a lot of mistake with this amplifier. Just let you know. And the output, the power supply MOSFET are the, let me see what I have here. Alright, power supply MOSFET guys is a, oh, this says DF50N06. So 50N06 guys, just saying that because a lot of them have different letters behind it that I know of. Of the 50N06, they have some letters behind it differently. They said DFP 50N06. So 50N06, you could use IRFZ, IRFZ44N here, or IRF 3205 here as well, you know. Don't worry about it. We're all just the same guys, yeah. But you know, everything is up and running guys. With this as you guys here just now. And just let you know guys though, because I wasn't gonna make a video guys, because it's Sunday and I just done cook and I was doing some other stuff, and I have some other stuff to go inside to do now right now, so so I said I'm gonna just make a fast video for you guys. It's gonna help me in the future, maybe guys, you never know, and help you guys. Anybody who have one like this, just let you know guys know. Situation like this, we're getting feedback from the output section. That's what I was getting, feedback to the speaker. Yeah, voltage was coming out. I didn't check the voltage. I just know it was coming out, like pushing the speaker out and stuff like that. So that Zener diode was the problem right there, guys. 16 volt Zener diode, which is the IN4745A. 16 volt Zener diode right there, guys. It's a Zener diode. It's a D62 right there, and the one here is D61. They both are Zener diode, and those are 16 volts right here, guys. So just let you guys know, yep. That's it guys, and give you an update on this capacitor, 25 volts, 2200 microfarad. These filter caps right here guys are 50 volts, 2200 microfarad, and that's, you know, that's basically it guys with this simple layout of this amplifier. Nothing, you know, stuff like that crazy. And guys, oh wow, hold on guys, I said let me see guys, I think I have some correction to make guys. Correction. So these guys, these are not recovery diode. Sorry about that guys. Sorry about that. Correction guys, because I'm not gonna go out. So make sure everybody watch the video before you start blasting me on this. These are the tip 42CL, and this is the tip 41CL. So these are not recovery diode guys. Sorry about that. Not recovery diode guys. Correction. Tip 42CL and tip 41CL. Both of these. And these are Q61 and Q62. The Q61 is the tip 41CL, and Q62 is the tip 42CL. Okay guys, just let you guys know. Yes, not a recovery diode. Sorry about that. Okay, my mistake. I correct it. So please guys, don't bash me on that. Sometimes stuff like that happens. But yeah, just let you guys know. That's it. That's what I replaced, and everything was working fine, and I'm gonna put it in the chassis right now guys, and we move on from there. So yep, please like, subscribe if you like what you see guys, and you know, ask me any question about this amplifier guys, and you know, I'll let you know, you know. So you know, that's how it goes guys. So Cardi guys is out for now. Please like, subscribe as I said before, and enough respect. Alright guys.